today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at our cooling system. Now this cooling system is going to be certified by the health department. Okay, so you will have a certification on this cooling system that will be located on your unit. Okay, so all the stickers on the unit, see all the information right there. It is going to be a 1 horsepower unit. You will be obviously provided with your condensing unit. Now your power unit over here that goes on top of your roof or tower. Okay, we also have refrigerant that's included. Your piping here, your connection, 5 meters for the connection. Okay, you also will be provided with your control. Okay, so all the parts that will be provided, you got your control here, you got solenoid valve, your coil kit. We have a balance port as well. Okay, now over here on the sticker, you can locate more information regarding this unit, including your certification. You have all the information, refrigerant type, okay, that will be located on the sticker, your voltage, hertz, all that information is located, serial number, part number, model, all that information is on that sticker. Okay, so you can locate that on your unit. So you can use this for your walk-in system. Okay, this is obviously going to go on inside your walk-in box. This goes on top of your roof or tower. As I mentioned, your condensing unit also has a sticker with NSF certification. Okay, so these units are certified by the health department. And if we go ahead and open up this door, all your electrical located on the inside with instructions and wiring. Your diagram is going to be located on inside of the door as well. It's going to be a 2 compressor unit. Okay, 2 compressor unit for this cooling system. 1 horsepower, as I mentioned, for this cooling system. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give you measurements before we go, just so you have an idea what this condensing unit measures. Your length is going to be 46 inches. Front to back, you're looking at about 16. And your overall height is going to be 15 inches. I'll also measure the other unit as well. 28 by 24 by 20 inches. Wow. Okay, so this is 1 horsepower cooling system certified by the health department. If you're interested in one of these cooling systems, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this cooling system. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.